If you think you know it all, you're a fool for sure. Real survivors learn wisdom from others. Proverbs 28:26. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Ujiri and I am back with another video. So this video I'm going to be doing today, it's basically on my eyebrows. I'm going to be showing you guys like detail on just brows. So get ready. And my hair is looking sort of off, but I have this natural hair weaving thing, you know. So first off, with my brows, I basically like using a black pencil and a brown pencil. Yeah, and these are the Davis pencils. This is in the number 03. The brown is in the number 03, and the black is in the number 01. And I'm still gonna use this. I'm still gonna use this pencil as well. Seriously, I forgot the brand of this pencil, but it's in the shade number 3. So yeah. And you would definitely need a spoolie for that. For a brows, you will need a spoolie. Like, you can't joke with spoolie, you know that. You know that. So I'm just gonna brush my hairs in place. Basically, yeah guys, let me say this. My hairs are not the best. Like, how would I put it now? Like, they are now, creeps and all of that, but I'm gonna use concealer to just make it look the way I want it to look. I'm actually leaving my hair to get this bushy because when I use my shaving cream to groom them, it's actually nice and fuller. Not like this front part will be fuller and the back part is like scanty. I don't like that at all. So first off, I'm taking my black pencil and I'm going to take the black pencil to just draw a straight line underneath it. This is basically for beginners as well, so you want to take your time. It will not just happen at once, but consistent practicing will actually put you in the right place. So yes, I have my line underneath and I'm just following my natural hairline. I'm gonna take another at the top as well and join them. You get that? So we already have our shape, and which will guide us throughout the process of drawing and making it looking natural and all of that good stuff. So guys, I really want to I lost most of my clips that I went to Jojo Touch studio. I was really mad about that. I lost most of my clip. I lost some of my pictures and all of that, but I have some. But like, the detailed things are not in it, so it's quite annoying, but we gotta do what we gotta do, bro. So yes, I am done with the black pencil and I'm gonna be doing what I have to do with those two brown pencils. I'm gonna be using it to just fill in lightly with strokes, just like so. The idea is to make it look natural as well, so we don't want to leave that place. We don't want to leave it. We're just going to fill in and draw like hair-like lines on the brows as well. Like, basically guys, I can actually take my brows out like this. I can work with them like this, but we're still doing more. I'm gonna go in with my spoolie again and just brush everything together, Guys, I really want to talk about the Skinny Game transit and how the season 6 episodes have been going. I love what's happening, guys. Come on. But I want to do a video dedicated to that because I want to get into more interactive topic gist that people gist about. You get, like, not just makeup every time. Something different, something off my normal. Like, makeup, it's a normal for me, but something off my normal. So for cleaning my brows and looking them, making them look clean and crisp and all of that good stuff, I am going to take my Ferrari concealer. This concealer has been a good help and a baby for me. I'm going to take this shade. As you can see, it's already heat pan because I always use it. So I'm using my concealer brush, and using your concealer brush, you want to make sure that the brush is equal, like every of the line is legitly equal. So yes, I'm going to take this and just follow same line. I am not cleaning above that line, I'm just following the same line. Doing this for the first time, believe me, you want to take your time to do it. Like, you don't want to be in a hurry and mess everything up. Like, you don't want to do that to your makeup. Like, you just want to be good and patient enough. You get. So we got that. Whoa, who's that? So I'm gonna do the same thing to my other brows. Just trying to be patient with it. And mind you guys, I see some people when they draw their brows, they are always feeling, should I say insecure now, that the brows are not equal. Like, are you, like, if every part of your body created equally? No, now. So it can be equal some days, and some days it will definitely not. So that shouldn't be a burden. That shouldn't be an issue at all, guys. It should not stress you. Guys, I'm really not a cleaning under I'm really not this person that like cleaning on top of my brows, but I know some people like it. It makes your brows look cleaner, but I love the natural look that it gives my brows. I just love the natural look that it gives my brows upward. So I'm gonna take this concealer brush and just blend that. Take my time to blend the concealer downward. I'm really not a person that like using concealer to clean up my brows, but in case you want to do that, I will still show you how to do that. So I'm taking my Elegant Pro concealer. This is in the shade dark cocoa. It's quite darker than my skin tone, but I love using something extremely darker than my skin tone to help me blend, because you don't want to have like a halo brows. So I'm gonna take this concealer and just follow same line. So yes, that is it. Taking that same concealer brush that I use, I'm gonna just blend it into my skin. So yes guys, this is it for my eyebrows, and I hope you guys learned a tool thing on how to, you know, maneuver with your brows. Even having hairs, I have hairs like, you know, shipping through, but one of the trick of covering your hair when you want to draw your brows is using a brighter concealer, even if you don't get to shave your hair out. So that is a plus. So yes guys, it is it for my brow tutorial, and I hope you guys learned something from it. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please take a moment to just subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't get to miss any of my upload. Like, you are updated immediately I make an upload. Yeah, so follow me on my social media platform. I'm going to leave all the links in the description bar. I love you guys more, but God loves you most. Don't forget that.